Hey guys, welcome back to another mukbang, and today we are having finally Indian food. So here I have aloo gobi matar. That is potato, cauliflower, and green peas. And over here, chicken curry. I'm sure you can see that. And over here, let's open her. Is egg curry. I hope you can see that. It's so cute. And some vegetables with onion and and chili. So very excited. Right? Excuse me. I'm really excited here. Ooh. Look at that. Bella, you excited? Mommy is so excited. Would you like some chicken, baby? This is my first Indian food mukbang. I don't do Indian food mukbang because I'm not really good with cooking curry. So yeah. Okay. Let me take the first bite first, okay, Bella? And then I'll give you chicken. Here. Don't go, baby. Let me try this first. First bite, guys. That's good. Yeah. It's actually really good. I'm good. Excuse me. It takes a lot of time to make all this. I can't film it because it was impossible to film it. Now it's 5:30. This is our lunch and dinner. My lunch and dinner, not for Bella. She had lunch already, long time. Look at that feast. Look at this feast. Let's try the egg curry. I cooked the egg curry with milk. Something different. So good. It's a little bit spicy, Bella. Be careful. Excellent. Can't talk. Oh. Bella, you hear that? I think that's your friend Archie. Oh, so good. I hope you can see that. It's very bright, the colors and everything. Even the taste is that good. Indian curry is not easy to cook for me. The onion was so strong. Oh. This chicken curry, before I cook, I marinate them in with some spices. Like, what did I use? Coriander powder, cumin powder, and what? Oh, garam masala, yogurt, salt, and kept in the fridge for an hour. Then garlic. I don't have ginger, so I didn't put ginger. But it's still good. It's -1 outside. So cold. Jesus. Really cold. Ah, Tochi. Hop, hop. Come on. You want some chicken? Chicken's good. Ah. Everything was so good. I wish that you can taste it. How much time does it take me to cook? 3 hours. Preparing this, the lights and the cameras and everything, altogether 3 hours. Was worth it. So good. Bella, are you okay? Okay, my mouth's on fire. That will be the end of our mukbang for today, guys. And if you enjoy this Indian food mukbang, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel. Bella is not here. She's eating the bone. Please subscribe to our channel and also hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I put up a next new video. And yeah, comment down below what do you think about this Indian food mukbang. My first time Indian food mukbang. So yeah, let me know what you think. Give me your suggestions and your ideas. And I'm gonna still eat this tomorrow morning and evening, lunch and dinner, I guess. It's a lot of food, but so good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. See you in my next video. Told you of the